So this is our lesson for the Industrial Revolution, focusing on the second Industrial Revolution in the United States. And through this lesson in Webquest, we would like the students to use their comparing and contrasting of historical, cultural, and political perspectives in the United States while analyzing primary and secondary sources. So the objective is, given primary and secondary sources about the Industrial Revolution, students can create a digital poster from the perspective of a well-informed citizen at the time. So they're going to use the information that they would have had at that time through their primary sources and the secondary information that they've gathered since to help them contextualize to come up with an opinion and then creatively display it in a poster using the information on the Webquest.
All right, so in this Webquest, at the end of the Webquest, students will have investigated each of the provided links shown below. They will have come up with reasons to support their assigned position, whether for or against the Industrial Revolution in America, specifically the Second Industrial Revolution, and they will have created a poster using a digital tool of their choice to share this view with others. They will also write a paragraph summarizing their own personal view, whether for or against the Industrial Revolution. So this is the first of the links that the students will be looking at. It is a primary source written from the time of the Second Industrial Revolution. And this is the second primary source, which is actually a video from that time. And then here are a few images, one of a mill, and then of the railway system in that time. And then here are some of our secondary sources, which the students will explore on their own. And then using the information from these links, they will find the information that supports their assigned view, and then as a group they will create a poster using a digital tool, such as even something as simple as Microsoft Word, to create a poster that shows their point of view that was assigned to them. Yes. And they will, when they're making the poster, they will directly reference the information from at least 3 of their sources. And then after that, and this part will be completed independently. That's very important. The poster is as a group. This next part is independently. They will write a paragraph summarizing their own personal view, not necessarily the one assigned to them, but their own personal view as to whether the Industrial Revolution was a good or a bad thing for our country. And this right here is the rubric, just to help students know whether they are meeting the requirements of the assignment or not. And that is all.